Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What if you could run complete marketing campaigns without hiring a single employee? Sounds a little crazy, right? I mean, how can a business create content, plan campaigns, find trends, and keep marketing consistently without an actual marketing team? That's exactly what Campaign Builders is designed to do. Campaign Builders is an AI-powered marketing platform that gives you a workforce of specialized, autonomous AI agents that can work together like a real marketing department. And this isn't just another chatbot where you spend hours typing complicated prompts. You tell the AI team what you want to accomplish, and the agents coordinate the work for you. Imagine having a brand strategist, content creator, graphic designer, video creator, trend hunter, and meme strategist working together toward the same campaign. Instead of managing every little task yourself, you can set your campaign goal, provide your business information, and let the AI workforce handle the heavy lifting. And one of the most interesting features is the mobile experience. Campaign Builders can send publication-ready content directly to your phone through a custom campaign app. You simply open the app, review the content, and tap Publish. No sitting at your computer all day just to keep your social media active. And because the AI agents can collaborate, you aren't relying on one general-purpose AI to do everything. Different agents can handle different parts of your marketing workflow. There's also an interesting personalization element. Campaign Builders uses what it calls an entropy engine to give AI agents different personalities and perspectives, helping create content that feels less repetitive. For business owners, this can mean getting more marketing work done without building a traditional employee-based team. And for agencies, the opportunity is even bigger. You can create campaigns for clients and provide them with a white label mobile app where they can review and publish the content your AI team creates. So instead of constantly adding employees as your client list grows, you could use AI to handle more of the fulfillment workload. Of course, Campaign Builders isn't a magic button that guarantees viral posts or instant revenue. Your strategy, offer, audience, and content quality still matter. But if your biggest problem is the sheer amount of repetitive marketing work, having an AI team working alongside you could completely change how you approach campaigns. So, if you're ready to stop doing every marketing task manually and want to explore what autonomous AI marketing can actually do, check out Campaign Builders using the link below. Your next marketing team might not need an office or even employees. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.